Hello and welcome back to DIY with Ian. I am building a sink out of that old, what is that, the roaster oven tub thing, and it's going to go right here on the tank. Um, I'm sure we've talked about the tank in other videos. You don't really need to know everything unless you want to. And then you can go over there and tap on it and learn all about it. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Yes, we are using leftover pallet wood to build this sink part. The drain is going to be a complex thing, of course, but that goes down to the bottom of the tank, which is, way down there, and goes around the outside and over to the well where it can come back up and out. So that's a good thing for water that I want to reclaim as I go. But I will also have a little switch right on the side here where I can shoot it out a tube that's going to go through there and outside. And that way I can, if I got fertilizer in the water or something like that, or plants that are whatever I don't want to go back into the tank can be sent away out the back. So that's the idea. I left these two little nubbies of cement blocks sticking out funny just for the purpose of putting on this sink. If I could think of my words, I'd be a wonderful host. Anyway, got a little notch cut out there to put the edge of the thing so it sits on there, and I still gotta build the part that goes from here to around and back to there so that it, goes all the way around it. Wanted everyone to notice and to see how close I came from. There it is. That's the 4x4 that I randomly placed on the ground when I was building the greenhouse 2 years ago, and I got it lined up within exactly one 2x4's length of the tank, so it fits perfectly to use the 4x4 as support and the top of that knobby. Did I plan that? Did I? I don't know. But if I didn't, boy was I lucky. Anyway, wanted to get that all out on tape. I am going to be updating this when I get a little bit further along, but I wanted to show the progress. That will not come off, no matter what you do, off this wall. And it's not actually attached to that at all. It's just pressure from little tiny gap left there and there. And use the nails or the screws to pull it tight, and then pull it tight on the bottom, and boom, you've got something that's adhered to the wall, but it's not actually attached. So if it doesn't do any damage to the tank, I don't have to worry about filling holes at some time or anything like that. It will just sit on that and be rock solid, because that's the way I built it. All right, that's all I have to say for the moment. I hope you enjoy my videos, and if you don't, you can go now. Thanks for laughing with me. I hope you come back again and look at this brick wall really, really up close with me again. Goodbye.